I'm gonna do rice today. I'm gonna show you how you should prepare your rice, or you can prepare your rice, because many people do it differently. First, I put the rice in the container. You don't have to put it in the container if you're cooking rice and peas, because beans or peas are already been cooked. But if you're gonna cook plain rice, this is how you can do it. All right, first I put rice in the pot. Okay. Then you rinse, you like swirl so that here white, whatever dirt or whatever people call it dirt, but it's not really dirt, whatever is on it that is not supposed to be eaten. Or while preparing rice, packaging rice, you know, a lot of stuff happens, so you gotta get rid of all that. The water is kind of still milky. You don't want it to be plain, remember that. You don't want the water to be too white. So this water, because it's gonna keep a little bit of starch in it. Alright? So the water should be like, depends on the rice, but what happens is the water should be like little above the rice, not like up. Let me show you. Let me add water. Let me show you. You see that? You see how far my finger is? No, you don't want the water to be there. The water should be like level on top of the rice. All right, let me rinse this off again. Why I have my hands on this is to catch whatever rice coming out in case it pours out. Right, whatever comes out, and you kind of give your finger, loosen your finger a little bit for the water run out. Now I'm gonna put, see, watch the level of the rice, watch the level, and there, see, just above the rice, right? If you can see better, it's just above the rice, not too way up to here or here, but just above the level of the amount of rice that is in the pot. I put my rice onto the stove. I'm gonna add like butter. Depends on the amount of rice. You just can put like 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm gonna add my salt. You know, some salt can be very salt, right? So what I do is, at first I had like 1 tablespoon. I swirl it around. You can use a fork or a spoon or whatever utensil you have to stir it. Okay. When it is cooking or boiling, the butter will melt out to circulate around the rice. What you can do to test if your pot is too salt, you can use a utensil that you have or a spoon. Okay, if it's too salt, you pour off the water, add fresh water onto it, add your salt. If it's too fresh, you add more salt. Okay, so you don't have to be over the pot standing to be stirring all that, but because I'm showing you this, in the meantime I'm just, you know, spreading the butter around. All right, so remember, your water level should be a little above the rice. All right, then you cover this and let it steam until the water is dry down. Then you can check on a grain of rice to see if it's hard. If it's hard, you let it continue to steam, and you know, on low stove temperature low, and then you have a good shelly rice coming out. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, your shelly rice, shelly white rice. All right, you want to see how it is? See, See? Okay. Thanks for watching.